Okay, I finally got the screws, the right screws for this. It's metric, it's number 4, and I ordered, I purchased 2-inch. So that's how you fasten each letter down. It has a cord with the plug on the end of it. This other end attaches to it, of course, and you tighten it up. And you're gonna have to run your wire along the side of the hood. I already have things running on the side of my hood, so I just went ahead and put them inside there. Those loops. Then I ran the wire down. I'm gonna have to get a thing to cover those wires, and I hooked it up to a relay that only comes on when you turn the key on. So there you have it. Let me show you the rest.